Hi everyone, welcome to this easy crochet tutorial. Today we are making a mesh stitch, simple, beautiful and perfect for beginners. You will only need a 3mm hook and any yarn you like. Let's start with a slip knot. Make an even number of chain. You can make more if you want a bigger piece. Let's start row 1. Skip 5 chain from the hook and we're gonna make 1 double crochet into the 6th one and chain 1, skip 1 chain and 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Again chain 1, skip 1 chain and 1 double crochet into the next chain. Keep repeating chain 1, skip 1 and 1 double crochet into the next one. At the end you will see messy stitch. This is how it looks like. Here I am in the end of the first row, chain 1, and I'm going to make last double crochet and I'm going to make 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4 and turn your work. I'm going to make a double crochet atop of the last double crochet, just right here, and chain 1, again 1 double crochet into the top of the last double crochet. Keep repeating row 2 until your pieces reach the size you want. You will see the nice open mesh pattern forming light and airy. And that's it. You'll learn the mesh stitch. It is really easy, beginner friendly and perfect for a scarf, bag or summer top. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more tutorials.